Hot buttered rum is like taking all the best parts of the holidays and pouring them into a mug. It's cozy, full of holiday spices, and richly intoxicating. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like really easy homemade recipes that pack a big punch, then definitely hit the subscribe button because that's exactly what we do here. And today we're making a hot buttered rum. Now I don't know about you, but when the Harry Potter books first came out, I was totally mesmerized. And when I came across the whole butterbeer thing from the 3 broomsticks, I was like, oh man, that reminds me so much of a hot buttered rum. There's no alcohol in the base. It's just mounds of real butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, ginger, and heaps of dark brown sugar. So when I first had hot buttered rum, I was in Old Town Alexandria at the Gatsby's Tavern. And I'm telling you, that hot buttered rum, that was a religious experience. Just saying. They took an ice cream scoop and filled a glass mug with this butter base, added 2 shots of spiced rum, and topped the whole thing off with boiling hot water. So when I was researching this recipe, I found recipes that were like, called for 2 tablespoons of butter and, a little bit of a half cup of sugar or what have you. And I was like, 2 tablespoons of butter, that's it? I mean, if we're gonna make a hot buttered rum, we're gonna make a hot buttered rum. So we're using 2 sticks. And I gotta tell you, there is nothing healthy about this recipe. I mean, it's literally a cardiac arrest waiting to happen. I'm not joking. And the only way I can really kind of think about making it even more unhealthy is if we stuck like some bacon on it or a fried donut in it, but we're not doing that. We are just not gonna do that. And I think that shows quite a bit of restraint. Cream together 8 ounces of unsalted butter with 3 cups dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh grated nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon ground ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. After everything's blended and the butter is light and fluffy, scrape the bowl and whip it on high for another minute. Then scrape it out and pack it into a mason jar. This makes a lovely holiday hostess gift. To make the hot buttered rum, use an ice cream scooper and dish up 1 to 2 scoops of the butter base into a mug, followed by 2 ounces of spiced dark rum and fill it up with boiling water. Stir vigorously, then top it with whipped cream, a dash of cinnamon, and a cinnamon stick. Yeah, this is decadent. We just seried how many calories were in this bad boy. It's like over 1,000, 814, right? Just in the butter alone. 2 shots of rum, a little whipped cream. Oh, Oh my God, that's good. That is really good. And you know what? You really kind of almost need the rum to cut through all that fat in the butter, because you don't taste the butter, you just taste all sorts of cozy goodness. I mean, Harry Potter, eat your heart out. Whether you're naughty or nice this year, this cocktail is definitely naughty. Thanks so much for joining me here at Lakeside Table. Go ahead and like, subscribe, you know the drill. Come on back for some more videos, and I'll see you soon. And I can't recommend you get this because it's really not healthy at all. But it is an amazing decadent treat. So if you do it, maybe once a year. Maybe you shouldn't do it at all. Bye guys.